walls of this house is made of paper or something, you know. I'm renting an apartment, and if someone farts on the other side of the house, I hear it. So it's not easy to make videos here. I gotta get a microphone and I don't know what to do. I have to make videos in the morning, but I usually used to sleep in the morning, the daytime. I don't know. Well, it is what it is. You know what I mean? And all the noise, background noise here. My fridge makes a lot of noise. 100% all the time. It's an old fridge. And my computer is like 1.5 meters away. That makes a lot of noise, and that's about it. So I have to turn those things off or get a directional mic, you know. I'm gonna do that. I hope that will take away all that noise from the fridge and computer. Because now, although I'm talking right now, I don't feel comfortable talking any louder in this. That's just my deal, of course, but because these walls are so paper thin, I don't want to bother those I rent, the owners. What I can use is test the difference between this is a Samsung, old Samsung what is it? About this is GT19. Doesn't matter, it's an oldest. I put this right here. And press play. Press play. I will test if I can test the sound, and now it's the same distance away from me, just holding it with my hand, of course, so it will be shaky, but I'll test the sound and the sharpness in the picture. I will test if I can test the sound, and now it's the same distance away from me, just holding it with my hand, of course, so it will be shaky, but I'll test the sound and the sharpness in the picture. It's hard to see right now in this small screen on the camera. I have to upload this and see comparison. Alright. This is me talking really low. I'm not using my voice at all. I'm just talking really softly. I need something to be able to talk this softly. And I need a good enough microphone. And I need a good enough microphone to pick up this soft voice. I don't want to talk any more loudly than this. So, of course, I can do a lot in post-production, but well, I will test this out right now. Okay then, bye bye then. To pick up this soft voice. I don't want to talk any more loudly than this. So, of course, I can do a lot in post-production, but well, I will test this out right now. Okay then, bye bye then. I have my RØDE mic right now, and it is quite a difference. I'm talking with the same low voice. It's actually 7:20 a.m. now, but I haven't heard anyone upstairs yet, so I don't know if they are sleeping or away. I don't know. So, well, as you can hear, this RØDE Videomic is a lot better than what I had. You know, the built-in mic. This RØDE Videomic is a lot better. I recommend it highly. It's very good. There was a team from Norwegian television that tested this RØDE Videomic, and they tested it against the RØDE Videomic Pro, and they actually liked this one better. And it is the RØDE Videomic with the Rycote on it, the new version, not the old one. I'm very happy with it. You have to test that. I have it on the, I think I put it on the, yeah. I don't really know what that last. There's two positions. There's on one, and there's the $80 Hz. I have it on the 80 Hz right now. I found that that was better, and you have to know that I have had to, on my camera I can adjust the level. I don't have it all the way up because then it's a lot of this shh sound if you put it all the way up, but you have to put it almost all the way. Well, it's different from camera to camera. This is a Canon Legria HF200. It's very old. So new camera you probably don't have to adjust it that high, but well, it works well. It's a HD camera, but and I haven't really used it much. I bought a long time ago. I bought aftermarket battery for it. So now I have it fully loaded at a battery. It says that I have 251 minutes of battery time left. But the problem is the SD card. You can only take max 16 gigabyte. So I only have 1 hour 21 minutes. Well, of course it is now if you transfer it to the PC. So, but if I'm gonna take this out and film a lot, you know, I should have a spare. I do have a spare, that old SD card. That's not interesting. This camera is not even for sale anymore. Come on now. Well, I'm just, you know, rambling on just to, so that you can hear the difference between the built-in camera, no, built-in microphone, and the RØDE Videomic. Well, I'm quite happy with it. And I also registered it at the RØDE's website, and I have 10-year warranty on it. And now that's a quality stamp right there, 10-year warranty on RØDE. It pays to buy quality. Well, as I said, this was just a test, the sound quality between this video camera, my old Samsung Galaxy 3, I believe it is, and this RØDE Videomic. Now I actually can probably make videos late at night because I can talk in this soft voice and you will be able to hear me. And I even, because this picks up this my voice so well, I can actually adjust it up in post without getting that, you know, sounds, you know, when you turn up too loudly. Well, it was just a test. Approved by Trustmania. Alright, that's it for now. Bye bye then.